Even if you are denying that it did not happen, I called it out here, and that is why to you, because when I released that video, it really hit why it's such very bad, because she did not expect anybody to reason in that way. That all this kitty kata you are trying to do is about raising fund. You want to form your own group. Many of them have tried, but they forgot to build. They forgot that you have to. To them, they feel that, like me now, I have a platform that if you check my followers, okay, maybe I have 5,000 subscribers. Okay, do you know that I'm not very popular? Maybe now I'm not a superstar. I can now call Biafra to start donating more. They will donate because they subscribe to my channel. That is stupidity. There are difference between somebody following you, listening to you, than you controlling or leading them. They are not the same thing. And many of you are making that mistake because you have a platform. You think because of that you are now just like a governor, you can challenge anybody. That is what deceived the woman. She actually believed that she can, after COS don't have any, maybe she would go to her COS platform, nobody know her. I am here, you hold me. When I'm streaming live, do you know how many people that watch me? That is the low brain. People who cannot reason for once. You think that everybody watching, like here now, people are watching, right? So it will be foolish of me to believe that everybody here are watching me with love because they like me. Some are here watching to see if I will make a mistake. They will run with it and start, to drag me down. Not everybody that follow you is your friend. That is not number one. They'll see you don't see them. When I told Biafrans that why is such a, do I see her? She will soon start her own fundraising. She is trying to form her own group using occasional. And you said that I can't even pronounce occasional. I don't care to pronounce it properly. The message is simple. It's as simple as ABC. Did she form a group called occasional? Yes or no? Yes. Did she try to convince them to stop donating money in government? Yes or no? Yes. And you're a member of the occasional too. You should have more information about what's going on in the occasion, more than me. When why sister called me, she told me that she released another audio in that group. Okay, that she released another audio in that group. That she will maybe they will soon send it to me, or maybe they have sent it to me, something like that. I told her no, nobody have sent it to me. That I got it. So many of them are still with me. If I happen to release that audio that time, my platform would have been like boom, because it would have been a center of releasing secret information. Something that two of them are talking about. Those also people now. Two of them, if you tell them any information, they will rush to their platform and start using that to catch crews. I'm not like you. I have many audio that if I want to bring it out, it will be like a bomb. But the situation is that my own reason is that what will I gain? It will help me. People will say, "Oh, you have more intel. Oh, they will start paying more attention to me." But it's not about paying attention to you, but the damages that you cause releasing those audios and some of the messages. I'm not like you. That I played when I played because it had gotten to my neck, so I have to release it. Initial stage, many audio that people are like last two weeks, I happen to receive it as early as possible. This is not bragging. This is just for you to know that I'm not like you. Because if you happen to lay hands on such audio, you yourself will quickly release it. And your own as a man, what you do is you go to platform. What Mr. A said, like you normally call why Isoja, you call Biafra. You're insulting Biafra. It's an insult that normally you're supposed to apologize to Biafrans for calling that woman or calling Biafra. You need to apologize. Honestly, I'm serious. Calling her Oriental calling Biafra is an insult to Biafrans. Do you understand? So you should apologize to Biafrans for calling that kind of person as Oriental calling Biafra. It's unheard of. So you calling me saying that I'm afraid of her, I am that she push shame on what?